Welcome to our channel. If you've ever wanted to create your own lo-fi beats channel on YouTube, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you step-by-step how to create your own channel and start sharing soothing, relaxing music with the world. So let's get started. But before we dive into the process, let me tell you about some of the incredible channels already dominating this niche. Take a look at this channel. It boasts over 13 million subscribers, and their popular video has nearly 100 million views. And it's not just this one. There are so many channels sharing simple lo-fi beats with millions of views. You can be a part of this too, even if you don't have any music or editing knowledge. We'll show you how. To create your own lo-fi beats, we'll be using a powerful AI tool called Mubert. This amazing music creator AI tool is trusted by content creators and artists alike. It allows you to produce different kinds of music effortlessly. Let's start by generating a track. Once you're on the Mubert website, simply click on Generate a Track. Here, you can enter your preferences for genres, moods, and activities. For example, you can choose ambient as the genre, calm as the mood, and select nature as the activity for a relaxing experience. Set the track length to your liking and hit Generate Track. After a short processing time, your track will be ready. Listen to it, and if you're happy with the result, click on the download icon. You'll need to create a free account to download the music track. Once that's done, your track will be added to the download folder. But wait! You can also use text prompts to generate music. Simply click on Generate a Track again and enter your text prompt. Mubert will create a beautiful lo-fi beat based on your prompt. You can even change the length of the track to fit your preferences. To make your channel visually appealing, we'll use a fantastic design tool called Canva. First, log into Canva and click on Create a Design. Choose the YouTube channel logo option and search for a music-related logo from the template library. If you can't find one you like, no worries. You can generate your own. Enter your text prompt and let Canva AI do its magic. Download your logo once you're satisfied. Next, let's create a channel banner. Head back to Canva's homepage and select Create a Design. This time, choose the YouTube channel banner option. Customize the template to your liking, add your channel name, and download the banner. Now that we have our logo and banner, it's time to set up our YouTube channel. Sign up for YouTube using your Google or Gmail account. Enter your channel name and unique handle, and if you need help with name suggestions, you can even use AI to generate some ideas. Once that's done, click on Create Channel. To make your channel complete, let's add a channel description. Use AI-generated descriptions or write your own unique description that perfectly represents your channel. Now, let's give our channel a professional look. Go to the Branding tab and upload your logo and banner. Customize the settings to make them visually appealing. Once everything is set, click Publish to make your channel live. To connect your music to your channel, copy the channel link and paste it into Mubert. This will help solve any copyright issues. Click on Continue and agree to download your music track. Your track will be downloaded automatically. Now we need an image for our video. I will create an AI-generated image with Leonardo.ai. Go to Leonardo.ai and select Image Generation. Then select Dreamshaper V7 and generate a prompt using the prompt generation. Now choose a prompt and hit the Generate button. Leonardo generates some images for you. Choose the image you like and download it. Before we upload the music to our channel, Let's turn it into a captivating video. We'll use CapCut, a free and user-friendly video editing tool. Create a free account and start a new project. Upload the image, created with Leonardo.ai and the music track we downloaded. Drag and drop the audio file into the timeline, followed by the image. Adjust the length of the image to match the duration of the track. Add effects and filters to make your video visually stunning. Once you're happy with the result, export and download the video. Now it's time to share your masterpiece with the world. Head over to your YouTube channel and upload the video. Give it a proper name, write a compelling description, and add relevant tags. Don't forget to create an eye-catching thumbnail to attract viewers. To help you achieve quick success on YouTube, we have a couple of tips. Firstly, consider going live. Live music performances often attract massive views and watch time. Platforms like OBS Studio and StreamYard support live streaming on YouTube. Secondly, create longer videos. Videos spanning 2 to 3 hours tend to perform better on the platform. While Mubert AI offers a free trial with limitations, such as 25 tracks per month and the requirement to provide attribution, you can consider joining their affiliate program. Share your affiliate link in your video descriptions to earn a commission and eventually upgrade to the Pro plan for more benefits. That's it. You now have all the tools and knowledge to create your own LoFi Beats channel on YouTube. Share your experiences with us in the comments below. Remember to like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!